Welcome to Agribusiness Talk on Voices of the Soil, Africa.
Top companies, food producing companies, pharmaceuticals, textiles using starch, industrial starch, food grade starch, and we import a lot of it. Corn starch and maize starch, corn starch, same thing. Why can't we not also be using cassava to produce cassava starch for these companies? So that's my next phase in agriculture. The roots come in, they get peeled, they get washed, then they get grated into mash, and the mash is dewatered in the presser, and the dewatered mash is called cake, and the cake goes into the pulverizer machine. It's pulverized into flakes, and the flakes now go into the dry section.
In the factory, the cake is processed and converted to cassava flour.
This is the drying and milling section. So the pulverized flakes comes in here, and it goes into the flash dryer, because when it's pulverized, it still has a bit of water in it, and that's the water that we need to dry completely. And we want a moisture content of between 7% minimum to 11% maximum for HQCF. So in order to get that, we have to dry at a certain temperature, and flash dry is very effective to that, and it's very clean as well, as opposed to sun drying. And this is what we have two lines. This is one of the flash dryers that we use. You can see it's in operation now. So we now have dry flour, dry HQCF, with the moisture content should not be above 11%, like I said earlier. Now the dry flour, it is okay as it is, but we have to mill it as well, because that's one of the requirements. This is the final process, actually, when it comes out milled into fine powder. That is now taken into the packing section. This is the packaging section, where the HQCF is bagged into 50 kg sacks. They're weighed. The sacks are locked, and it goes into the loading bay, where they're loaded up and shipped out to the end user.
Voices of the Soil, Africa, our root, our future.